Good morning, students. Yesterday we were discussing your applied English book, chapter number 4, biographical sketch. Two questions yesterday we have discussed. Now, today we are going to discuss question number 3, page number 46. 46 page. Read the following facts about Bertrand Russell, a great English philosopher. Use the information to write bio sketch in about 100 words. In the box is some information. Already I have told you that in the box is information, but they are not complete sentences. They are short information and we have to write full complete sentence. In the question we read that Bertrand Russell, a great English philosopher. Now in the box I read, born at Trelec. In Trelec city he was born 18th May 1872 in aristocratic family, means rich family. Second information, lecturer at Trinity College, offered a post at Harvard University. First he was in Trinity College lecturer, then Harvard University, USA, he was offered post. A great philosopher and mathematician. He was made philosophy popular. Philosophy made him so popular. Faith in individual freedom. Awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature. He was also got Nobel Prize. He was a great writer, so he got the most famous Nobel Prize in 1950. Now how we will write? In full sentence you have to write. Line by line from this information, full sentence. Listen carefully. Bertrand Russell was a great English philosopher. He was, full stop, he was born on 18th May at Trelec in an aristocratic family, full stop. He served, served. You can also write he worked as a lecturer at Trinity College, full stop. Then he was offered a post at Harvard University in the USA, full stop. He was a great philosopher and mathematician, full stop. His philosophy made him very popular, full stop. He had great faith in individual freedom, full stop. For his contribution in the field of literature, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1950. Complete. Now question number 2. Given below is some information about APJ Abdul Kalam, the famous scientist who rose to be the President of India. Use the information to write bio sketch in about 100 words. We all know who was APJ Abdul Kalam. First he was famous scientist, then he also became the President of India. First we read the information. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, born 15th October 1931, Rameswaram, poor family, got higher education. Again information, started his career as a scientist On completing his education, led a team of scientists for launching missiles, successfully developed and tested missiles, atom bomb under his leadership, awarded the Bharat Ratna, President of India. These are the short information, not complete sentences. With the help of this information, we have to write the complete sentence. Listen carefully, you all students. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a famous Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a famous scientist. He was born on 15th October 1931 at Rameswaram in a poor family. Full stop. He started his career as a scientist after completing his higher education. Full stop. He led a team of scientists for launching missiles. Full stop. He successfully developed and tested many missiles. Full stop. Atom bomb was launched or tested under his leadership. Full stop. For his great contribution to the country, he was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1997. Full stop. He served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. That's all. Finish. Now the next page 47. You have to write my mother. Bio-sketch of your mother. The best mother in the world. In the box, information is the best mother in the world. 35 years old, MA in English, teacher in school, pretty, smart, does all her household work, household work, keeps everybody happy, takes part in social activity. So students, you have to write about your mother. How will you write? Listen carefully. My mother is the best mother in the world. Full stop. She is 35 years old. Full stop. She has done MA in English and teaches English in a school. Full stop. She is very pretty and smart. Full stop. She does all her household chores. Chores means work. Full stop. She keeps everybody happy. Full stop. She is very helpful and a kind person. This information not written, I have written. You can write information from your own side also. She is very helpful and a kind person. Full stop. She also takes part in school activities. Full stop. I love my mother so much. Full stop. I am proud of her. Complete. Now second number. Last question. Using the information given below, write a brief bio-sketch of R.K. Narayan, famous Indian writer in English, in about 100 words. This biography is about R.K. Narayan. He was great Indian writer. He wrote in English. R.K. Narayan, born in Madras, 1907. Took full-time writing after a brief teaching career. First he started career as teacher and then started writing stories and novels. Wrote stories and novels focused middle class. All stories set in imaginary town of Malgudi. All the story he has written in the imaginary, no real town. Malgudi is the name of the town where all stories takes place. All events of the story take place. Sahitya Akademi Award. He was given Sahitya Akademi Award 1960 and Padma Bhushan 1964. So students, this last email you have to write yourself. That's all. Thank you for today.